Are you a new rider struggling with using the throttle on your dirt bike? I want to show you 3 basic techniques so you don't wheelie and crash right away. Tip number 1 for new riders is to prevent wheelies. So I always teach new riders to scoot up on the seat, because if you're on the rear of the seat, then you're more likely to whiskey throttle and then wheelie and loop out. So just scoot forward. And tip number 2 is gripping the throttle. So I see new riders, they put their arms just like this, it's relaxed, but then you can't really turn it very far without going like that with your elbows. So you want your arm to be level with your finger for reaching the lever. So not up high like this, not down low like this, but level like that. That way you can get a good grip so you can twist it all the way. And then the third tip is the throttle is really sensitive if you're new to a dirt bike or motorcycle. So it's very important that you need to be smooth and put small inputs with it. I see a lot of new riders, they whack the throttle because, I don't know, you like the sound of it and you want to go fast. When you're accelerating, you whack it too hard because either you want to be aggressive or you're not familiar with the sensitivity of the throttle. So you whack it and then the bike gets out of control, so you need to be smooth and roll on. So not brr, rare, you want to be brum, brum, brum. That will help you stay in control and prevent wheelies. These trails are ready to go. Finally thawed out, I can ride, there's nice fresh dirt. You must be able to use the throttle and the clutch at the same time if you want to be a skilled rider and build your confidence. So if you like this video, make sure to check out my other video on how to properly use the clutch on your dirt bike. This is Kelly from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more.